So it's August 1st, and we've honestly had a lot more results than I think I ever would have expected. We haven't had anything die. Everything's grown really well. Really impressed with the first year of the lasagna garden. We got cucumbers over here. So you got a big guy already. Got cherry tomatoes just about coming in. We got butternut squash, just cute little butternut squash coming up right there. These are early girl tomatoes. We got some dill. This is a very prolific zucchini plant. We've had a lot of radishes. They're one of the easiest things to grow in the world on our second crop here. And so what we've been doing is making Joshua McFadden of Ava Jean's restaurant's recipe for browned butter and chili honey radishes. You roast them for quite a while, and man, they're one of the best things I've ever had. So we set up 4 rows of corn here because if you have less than 4, they have a really hard time pollinating. Tassels are coming all over the place, and we almost have an ear of corn coming out of here. Here are beets. This guy's pretty big. One of my favorite things to make with these are beet sandwiches with goat cheese and some pesto. Got our kale plants here. They just keep producing cut off the bottom leaves, and they keep growing and growing. Way more kale than we can eat. Got some beautiful rhubarb, and we planted this root this spring, and we've already got enough almost for a first rhubarb pie. One of our favorite things to look at here is look at all of these basils. We are talking about a lot of pesto. We're gonna cut all those down right after this video, make about 1 million pounds of pesto, freeze it for this winter, and then we're gonna plant our next round of basil for the second round later in the fall. We've got lots of carrots right here. As you see, we've definitely been mulching the sides of them, covering them with manure whenever possible to give them lots of nitrogen-rich materials. They've been growing great. We'll probably harvest them in the next couple weeks. This is a ton of shallots that we just kind of got as a gift. Weren't expecting to grow them, but look at that. We're gonna make French-style dressings all winter long. These are onions, and we gotta wait for the tops to really turn brown and fall over, and that's when you know you've gotten the most of the flavor out of the onion. 2 big things of peas that are almost about to go by. These are snap peas, and man, they've been delicious. Made a lot of stir fries with them. And finally, we've got our green beans, and these guys have been really prolific also. Tons of them this year. We've got our second round about to come up.